Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix battery drain problem in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Then you can see here it is showing apps. You have to click on it and you have to turn off background data of all the apps. Like here you can see allow background data usage. You have to disable it and you have to disable this from all the apps. Here you can see that disable it from here like this, and then again I hope then you have to clear your images, videos unnecessary that are not in use, that are in trash. You have to delete it from Files by Google if you have not downloaded from the Play Store app. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.